Now, one of the things that I think is super important for everybody to understand is where your money goes. Now, there's two different places. We can talk about the distribution of funds. So your trading funds here are going to go to your exchange. We've got two different exchanges as of today in our pre-launch, and actually today is our full-scale launch. We've got two different exchanges for you to choose from, Coinbase Pro and Binance.com. So your trading funds, the money that EazyBot trades for you, goes into an exchange. The funds you want to trade with go there, and EazyBot never actually touches those funds. So how does EazyBot actually make you money? Well, the API connection that's provided by the exchange allows EazyBot to connect its software to their software. And then it opens and closes trades for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Never actually touches your funds, has no permission to withdraw funds from your exchange account. So you remain in total control of your assets at all times. You can stop trading at any time. You can withdraw your profits at any time. You are in 100% total control. Nobody at EazyBot ever gets access to your money. Now, you've got software subscription fees that we talked about. And since EazyBot cannot pull funds out of your exchange account, there's some money that goes to EazyBot, and that is to cover your subscriptions, the packages that we just talked about. If you want to upgrade to an advanced package or a VIP package, well, that goes to EazyBot. If you are, and of course, we also create a small wallet for the software service fees because we can't pull them out of your exchange. So that gets set up in a wallet in EazyBot. That's it. Everything else that you're trading, your funds that EazyBot's trading for you in the exchange, you want to upgrade your package, cover your software service fees, that goes to EazyBot. Easy peasy.